Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new here, I'm Durga. I post new videos every Sunday on Dollar Tree hauls, cooking recipes and much more. So if you like to watch these kinds of videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for future notifications. If you're an existing subscriber, thank you so much for your love and support and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing products from Dollar Tree and Aldi. So without further ado, let's get started. The first product I have here to review is this facial cleansing cloth. This is a reusable cloth and I bought this from Aldi, which came in a 5-pack like this. This was $4.99. I think for $1 a piece, I think this is a really great product. I absolutely love this one. It feels very soft on our skin and does its job of removing any dirt or makeup from your face. You just have to wet it in warm or hot water and squeeze off the excess water and put it on your face and just give like gentle pressure and rub it off in a circular motion to remove all the makeup or dirt, anything from your face. So, and it does a pretty good job. This is something I used these days to clean my face and it works great. It's washable, so and you could use this for multiple use. If you have sensitive skin and maybe facial wipes is not something good for you, this would be a great alternative. Naturally removing any makeup or anything from your face. So I absolutely love this one, and for the price, I think this is a great product. If you are even using any kind of doing any kind of facial or something, after scrub, you could use this to stain your face, where you just wet it in warm water and just put it on your face, so it helps in opening up all the pores. And following up with that, if you're using any kind of massage creams or oils, it will help your skin better absorb that, so it is really good for that as well. So I highly recommend, and I would give this a 5 out of 5. This is a sheet gripper I bought from Dollar Tree. Oh my god, this has become a game changer for me, you guys. I was looking for something like this for a very long time, and when you look in online, it's pretty expensive, but even for like a 4, not as a pack like this, but just 4 pieces, it costs more than $6 or $7, or even more than that. So if you are looking to put something like this in a couple of bedrooms, so you would need multiple of them. So this one I think is really great. I wasn't quite sure how this is going to work and how would this quality be, but I'll tell you guys, it really worked. And for $1 you get 4 in a pack like this, and you cannot beat the price. So, and it really works. So definitely, if you're looking for something like this, I would say grab it, and I would give this a 5 out of 5. Next, I have this e.l.f. Eyebrow Stencil kit that I bought from Dollar Tree. This came in a 4-pack like this. There are 4 stencils with different eyebrow shapes that might fit your brow shape. I think this is good for beginners. If you're trying to fill in your brows and not quite sure about the shape, it might help you. And the biggest challenge using this was holding this in place. So I wish this was something that where you could stick to your skin, so you could really focus on applying or filling your brows rather than struggling with this to keep it in place. Also, that was one downside with this. And also I think this is something probably might work only if you are using eyebrow like powder. If you're using like eyebrow pencil or a pomade kind of thing, I feel it might end up more thicker than what you expect. So I would say you'd have to be really careful if you're using like a pencil or something like that. But with powder, I think because it gives a more natural look, so it might work good for that. And for $1, I think this is still a good product. And as I said, it might work well for like beginners who might be trying to give some shape to your eyebrows, and so this might be something handy for you guys. So I would give this 4. Next, I have this silicone scrubber by Scrub Buddies that I bought from Dollar Tree. This says multi-purpose cleaning brush, dishwasher safe, durable and flexible. So ideally you could use this for multiple purpose, and I started using this with cleaning my dishes, and I didn't like it much because I didn't see it removing like any like hard or like tough grease. However, this might be good to clean up your like makeup brushes or clean your vegetables or fruits, something that you just want to wipe it off gently. I think it might still work for those kinds of things. And if you're really looking to buy something to clean your dishes or pans, I would recommend using something like this. If you don't like to use a product that might allow to build like germs or bacteria and want to clean quite often, I think this might be really great for that. This comes in as a 8-pack, and this is a 6-pack. It's a little bigger size, so you could use something like this for a week each, and and throw it off, so that way you're not allowing these bacteria to be building up. And so this would be a better option instead of using something like this to clean your dishes. And I would give this a 3. This is the drain router that I also bought from Dollar Tree. I think it did a great job, pulling off all the hair from my bathroom sink, and also I used it in the shower area. It did a great job. I think for $1, this is really good. One con I would say with this one is that as you can see, these spiky kind of things that helps in pulling out the hair or any kind of clogs. It breaks easily, probably after like a couple of uses. So I would not say this is something that probably you would have it forever. Probably you might have to buy it again once all of these spike kind of things might break off. But for $1, I think this is still a good product, and I would give this a 4. That's all I had for you guys today. Hope you all enjoyed and it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. If you have used any of these products, please do leave a comment below. I would like to hear your perspective as well. You all have a great week and see you all in the next video.